Today we're going over our working dealer guide for design services. My name's Emily and I'm a designer here at playgroundequipment.com.
I'm Nick. I am the design team lead. We are here to support you and make sure you have what you need to be successful. All of our in-house designers are CPSI certified through National Recreation and Parks Association. We are committed to maintaining ASTM, CPSC, and ADA compliance. That is a big responsibility and it is something we take seriously. But just as important, we want you to see us as a resource. We are here to partner with you and we appreciate the role you play in creating safe, inclusive spaces for your communities.
When our design team knows the people, place, and purpose behind a project, we're able to make better decisions and deliver stronger results. So the more clarity and context we have up front, the more efficient and accurate we can be on the back end. We know speed matters. Getting designs turned around quickly is critical to your process. The goal of this guide and this conversation with you is to make sure we're all aligned so we can move faster, reduce back and forth communications, and ultimately get you what you need without unnecessary delays.
Next, I will go over some quick tips to speed things up. So number one, be detailed. Share as much information as possible. I don't think in my 5 years being here, I've seen a request that gave too much detail. Next, explore your options. Custom requests take time, especially the more complex replications. So please feel free to go through our catalog and find things that are close to what you guys are looking for. And then next, manage expectations. We aim for quick and efficient design support, but timelines may vary during peak seasons.
We're going to jump into each design request type. We're going to start with color changes. There are a few ways to request colors for your design. Choose one of our many existing color schemes. List a specific component with the corresponding color you want. Or you can even share a color palette or a general theme for us to build from.
Custom requests, we can either modify, replicate, or create a whole new structure. Give our design team as many details as possible, so I'll be sharing a quick checklist with you all to help speed up the custom request process. So one is any site dimensions or intended locations that the structure needs to fit into. Next, we have the age range of end users, color selections for the structure, if there's any inclusivity concerns with like wheelchairs, sight or hearing impairments. Next, if there's any child capacity goals, then any preferred components you would like to have. If there's a list of what you would like versus what you do not want to see on the structure, that is super important for us. Any theming you would like the structure to have. Are there any specific kinds of play you want, from climbing to social to sensory or imaginative? And then are we matching any existing equipment? Do you want us to do a one-to-one replication, or do our designers have the liberty to try and mold it to what our pieces look like more accurately? Next, are you requesting a large or complex design? Plan ahead and pad your timeline. Give us extra time to collaborate with our manufacturers, test for compliance and quality assurance, and create something amazing. Yes, we do want your attachments. Give us site photos, CAD files, bid information, and website URLs. Whatever helps you illustrate your expectations, we would like to see it. And then does post size matter? So we typically design our 3.5-inch post size. However, certain product lines do require that 4.5 or 5-inch post size to be created.
Of all design request types, our 2D site plan requests get the most questions, the most back and forth communications, and delays. These requests are really important to get right, and they're required for a 3D site render. So let's start with a step-by-step guide to requesting these 2D site plan requests. Step 1, list equipment. This is one area where a little upfront clarity can go a long way, so let us know what to do when there isn't enough space for your desired equipment, and vice versa. Step 2, choose surfacing. And we want to be clear on this, you can request a 2D site plan without specifying surfacing. However, a surfacing selection is needed for 3D imagery. We want to ensure any marketing materials we show depict a safe and completed playground design. Step 3, design layout. Let's talk about site plans for an existing space. While we typically pull general measurements from satellite imagery, on-site measurements ensure the design fits, especially for small, tight spaces or areas with limited satellite visibility. So overlay your site plan on satellite imagery, provide the property address, and indicate the playground location on the property. A site plan CAD file can be requested alongside the PDF file. So you can share your design with any project partners to ensure alignment. So that's 1, 2, 3. List your equipment, choose surfacing, design layout. We're going to move on to some design points we kind of have to hold the line on regarding 2D site plans. So let's talk age ranges. We get questions about age ratings a lot, so hopefully this clears some things up. We have to be aware of equipment intended only for 6 to 23-month-old age groups, 2 to 5-year-olds, and 5 to 12-year-olds. The Consumer Product Safety Commission recommends distinct, separate play areas for different age groups. So, to support the safety of younger children, our designers are going to help guide you through making site plans comply. If your site and equipment need to be rated for a specific age group, please make sure you let us know. Now let's talk accessibility. The design team will guide you in developing an accessibility-focused site plan, prioritizing ramp and transfer station placement near entrances and accessible routes, required ground to elevated component ratios, and appropriate proximity to designated accessible parking.
Next, we'll go on to the 3D site renders. So our standard 3D site render will show your site in a sunny field with trees. If you prefer image to reflect the actual location, please provide site photos and satellite imagery. Whenever we've done satellite overlays on our 2D requests, we will do our best to reflect that area with the 3D request as well.
And our final request type is part requests. These requests are useful when replacing equipment, adding shades, or adjusting an existing design. It's important to provide any additional photos or dimension our designers ask for. The request might be coming from our manufacturer.